Mr. Don Lockwood on set, please. Mr. Don Lockwood on set, please. Mr. Don Lockwood on set, please. Mr. Don Lockwood is on.
I know! Oh, hello, Don. I'm so sorry. I'm glad to see you.
I looked for you the other night at Wally Ray's party. Where was you?
I was busy.
Hey, let's get those lights on, Clyde.
Yeah, and I know what you've been busy at. Looking for that Curlin.
As a matter of fact, yes.
Why?
Well, I was worried about her.
Well, you should have been worried about me a little. After all, I'm the one who got the whipped cream in my kisser.
Yeah, but you didn't lose your job, and she did.
You're darn good that she did. I arranged it.
What?
Well, they weren't gonna fire us, so I called them up and told them they better.
Why, you...
Okay, Don, let's remember. You're madly in love with her, but you must overcome her shyness and timidity. Okay, Cosmo. Good music. Okay, Don. You enter. You see her. You run to her.
Why, you rattlesnake. You got that poor kid fired.
That's not all I'm gonna do if I ever get my hands on her.
I've never heard of anything so low. What did you do it for?
'Cause you liked her. I could tell.
Oh, so that's it. Believe me, I don't like her half as much as I hate you. You reptile.
Sticks and stones may break my bones.
I'd like to break every bone in your body.
Who else can ever love it?
Okay, Don. Kiss her. That's it. More. Yes, that is perfect. Okay, cut. Let's get another take.
Oh, Donnie! You couldn't kiss me like that and not leave it a teeth, you wickedy bits.
Meet the greatest actor in the world. I'd rather kiss a tarantula.
Oh, Donnie, you don't mean that.
Bring me a tarantula. Now, Nina, I am telling you for the last time.
Okay, stop the chit-chat, you lovers. Let's get another take.
Hold it, Dexter. Hold it.
But Mr. Simpson, we're really rolling.
We can stop rolling right now.
Huh?
Don, Lena, we need to talk.
Okay, everybody, take it.
That's right. Tell them to go home. We're shutting down for a few weeks.
Shutting down.
But why?
The jazz singer. That's why. The jazz singer. Like the whole public, they're screaming for more.
More what?
Talking pictures. Talking pictures.
But that's just a freak, all right?
We should have such a freak in this studio. I tried to tell you these talking pictures were a menace, but nobody would listen to me. Now look, we've got to put our best foot forward, Roscoe. We're going to remake Julie Cavalier into a talking picture.
Whoa, wait a minute, RF. Talking pictures? Why don't you take a moment? You look up, and you thought her, and you see her.
Look, all the other studios, they're putting in sound equipment. The theaters are jumping onto this. We cannot afford to be left out of this.
We don't know anything about this gadget. You look at, you try, you see her.
What is there to know? You're going to make a picture like you always have. You just add talking. Don, but believe me, it's going to be a sensation. Lockwood and Lamont, they talk.
Well, of course we talk. Doesn't everybody?
Lena, your talking may bring back the silent pictures.
We're playing that on this shooting around the clock. It's going to be done in 3 weeks.
Talking pictures? Why, that means I'm out of a job. At last I can start something and write that symphony.
Cosmo, you're not going to be out of a job. I'm going to put you in charge of our new music department.
Sorry, at last I can stop suffering and write that symphony.
Warner Brothers, watch out. Monumental Pictures will soon be making musical movies and motion picture history.